Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Addo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now, great skin is not simply a matter of DNA. Your daily habits has a huge impact on what you see in the mirror. Thus, it is very important to have a healthy lifestyle and eating habit besides choosing the right skincare products. So in today's video, I'll be talking about one such skincare product that not only has goodness inside but is also made with care. And those skincare products are Treyfa Virgin Coconut Oil, which is pure organic, sulfur-free, cold-pressed virgin coconut oil. Treyfa Aloe Vera Foaming Face Wash, which has the goodness of aloe vera, provitamin B5, vitamin C, green tea extract, cucumber, tulsi, hyaluronic acid. And this product is sulfur-free, paraben-free, not tested on animals, cruelty-free and vegan. Treyfa Miracle Gold Turmeric Anti-Aging Face Mask for skin brightening and even toned skin. And it has the goodness of turmeric, moringa, beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter and pumpkin. So please continue to watch the entire video because in this video, I'm going to talk about this range of skincare products by Treyfa in brief. I'm going to talk about their benefits and how you can use them. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So let us first talk about the packaging of Treyfa Virgin Coconut Oil. Now this comes in a plastic bottle packaging like this. It has a flip open cap. It is a pure virgin cold pressed coconut oil which is sulfur free, and this is carefully extracted from organically grown coconuts. Now the net quantity of Treyfa Virgin Coconut Oil is 200 ml. The price is rupees 299 and the shelf life is 24 months. Treyfa Virgin Coconut Oil is original and pure and it has no additives. It is sulfur free, paraben free, silicone free, it is cruelty free and 100% vegan. Treyfa Virgin Coconut Oil can be used as a hair hydration and volume. It can be used as a body moisturizer, face moisturizer. It can be used for cooking and it has so many benefits. Let me show you how to use this product. Now use Treyfa Virgin Coconut Oil as a replenishing hair treatment to tame dry frizzy hair and restore hair shine. Now take the required amount of this virgin coconut oil and massage your scalp and run through your hair. Talking about the hair oil, with its natural goodness, this coconut hair oil helps to hydrate the hair and nourishes the scalp. It is ideal for use as a conditioner, detangler or coconut oil hair mask. Treyfa Virgin Coconut Oil provides superior hydration to the scalp and hair, which helps to get healthier and thicker hair. It can also be used as an ultimate face and body moisturizer. Use it as a moisturizer for extra skin protection or an overnight oil for maximum hydration. Now talking about Treyfa Aloe Vera Foaming Face Wash, that comes in a pump bottle packaging like this. It has a pump tube with a silicone brush in it. It is a very soft brush which literally removes the dirt and grime from your face without stripping off its natural oils. Now this is how the face wash comes like. The net quantity of Treyfa Aloe Vera Foaming Face Wash is 150 ml. The price is rupees 399 and the shelf life is 24 months. Now, this Aloe Vera Foaming Face Wash is made from the goodness of Mother Earth and offers a healthy, oil-free, clean face free of pimples, acne and other skin problems. This face wash deeply hydrates your skin, it enhances blood circulation and it also helps with anti-aging. It also detoxifies your skin and exfoliates as well. Now let me show you how to use this face wash. Now picking up the right facial cleanser could literally change your life. Splash water onto your face and pump out a small quantity of Treyfa Aloe Vera Foaming Face Wash onto the inbuilt silicone brush. Massage your skin for a couple of minutes with a built-in brush in a circular upward motion to unclog the buildups and to exfoliate the dead cells. Now, face washes are designed to remove dirt, germs, oil and makeup, but the tough part is it peels off the skin layer to make you bright. Now, Treyfa Aloe Vera Foaming Face Wash helps in complete cleansing, healing and moisturizing to get a clear, soft and supple skin. This face wash contains all the advantages of soothing aloe vera as well as other plant extract known for soothing properties. Let us talk about Treyfa's Miracle Gold Turmeric Anti-Aging Mask. Now this mask is meant for skin brightening, even tone and glowing skin. It has Kasturi Healthy, which is a detan mask for both men and women. This mask is free of any harmful chemicals, sulfates, silicons, parabens, is not tested on animals, cruelty-free, and it's vegan. This deeply hydrates, moisturizes, and removes skin dryness. It boosts the blood flow and reduces inflammation, and it naturally heals and rejuvenates the skin with the goodness of turmeric in it. Net quantity of Treyfa Turmeric Anti-Aging Mask is 100 grams. The price is Rs 299 and the shelf life is 24 months. This gives you a glowing skin and is suitable for all skin types, be it oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, pimple prone and acne prone skin as well. Treyfa Turmeric Anti-Aging Mask can be used as hydrating face mask, whitehead and blackhead remover mask, tan removal face mask, herbal face mask, stretch marks removal cream, and complete as skincare kit for addressing all your skin problems. Now, let me show you how to use this mask. Now, get a spa experience at home with Treyfa Turmeric Anti-Aging Face Mask. Apply a thin layer of mask all over your skin. Sit back, relax, and indulge in the aroma of turmeric for at least 15 minutes until the face mask does wonders on your skin. Now, turmeric is widely used in India as a traditional ingredient in skincare. Let it set for 15 minutes or until it dries. Gently wash the face with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Use twice or thrice a week for a better result. So loves, with these range of skincare products by Treyfa, you not just give cosmetics to your skin, but you give trust to your skin for a healthy, rejuvenating skin. So loves, I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.